Livinroof is a hybrid solid and glass roof system, purposely designed for the replacement of conservatory roofs. Weighing only 31 kilograms per square metre, Livinroof is fully fire-tested, compliant with building regulations, and available in any shape or size, with pitches from 5 to 44 degrees, making it suitable for low-pitch lean-tos. The insulated, lightweight grey panels are pre-cut to size, making them easy and fast to install. The strong aluminium top caps feature isolating thermal clips and Q-Lon gaskets, which make the roof both thermally efficient and weathertight. The aluminium bolster increases the spanning capabilities of Livinroof. UPVC cladding and insulation also prevent any cold spots which could condensate. An optional cornice hides the insulating end caps and gutters and adds shape and style to the roofline. Versatile shaped glass panels can be placed anywhere in the roof to maximize natural light in the room below. An insulated internal pelmet is added as standard. Unique postcode engineering ensures the roof is structurally sound to withstand the worst possible wind and snow loads for that exact location. Livinroof is the lightest solid roof on the market. The shaped glazing and modern grey finish will transform any old conservatory into a warm and cosy conservatory or extension.